In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists or segment contacts using HubSpot, a powerful tool for managing your customer relationships. Let's dive into the process, breaking it down step by step to ensure you can do this confidently and efficiently. Let's start by navigating to the CRM segment of your HubSpot account. When you're logged into HubSpot, you'll find a navigation menu on the left side of the screen. From this menu, first click on CRM and then choose Segment. This section allows you to organize your contacts in a way that makes managing them more intuitive and effective for your marketing strategies. Next, you'll want to go ahead and click on Create Segment. By doing this, you're setting up a new organizational category for your contacts, which can help target your marketing efforts more precisely. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to be focusing on segmenting your contacts. After selecting contacts, proceed by clicking Next. This step takes you to where the magic happens, setting up the filters that will specify which contacts appear in your segment. It's now time to add filters to your segment. These filters help you define the rules for which contacts should be included, such as demographic details, user behaviors, or engagement history. Think carefully about the criteria that are most important for your marketing campaigns or sales efforts. As you apply these filters, the segment will automatically update, reflecting the contacts that meet the conditions you've set. This dynamic updating means you can see in real time how many contacts fit your specified criteria, allowing you to tweak the filters until you get the desired list. Once you're satisfied with the filters you've added, it's time to review your segment. Click on Review and Save to take a final look at the segment settings and the contacts included. This is your opportunity to double-check everything before finalizing. When you're sure that everything looks good, proceed by clicking Save and Process Segment. This action will finalize your segment, making it ready for use in any of your ongoing marketing or sales strategies. By following these steps, you can effectively segment your contacts in HubSpot, enabling more focused and efficient communication with your leads and existing customers. Remember, segmentation is key to personalized marketing, which can significantly enhance your engagement rates and conversion outcomes. So take the time to experiment with different filters and criteria until you find what works best for your business. And that's it for our guide today. Thanks for watching, and happy segmenting!